Assalam Alaikum.
How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment, share. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I am making best hand and feet whitening home remedies. Baking soda, powder milk, Alovere gel, almond oil, Vaseline, take 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda are rich in bleaching properties. Using it regularly lightens the skin, giving it an equal tone. It also helps in getting rid of dead skin cells. Add 1 tablespoon of milk powder.
It is considered an effective panacea for crystal clear skin. Just like milk, it is rich in lactic acid, which naturally cleans and brightens skin. Besides skin lightening, what makes milk powder an apt ingredient for the skin is the concentration of vitamins and minerals. This acts as a skin purifier.
Add 1 tablespoon of Alovera gel.
Certain chemicals in aloe vera may have skin lightening properties. These chemicals are called aloin and allicin. They may reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation by destroying existing melanin cells and preventing further formation of melanin in the skin.
Add 1 teaspoon of almond oil.
Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps the skin retain its natural skin tone and complexion. It can also help remove the dullness from your skin, but no oil can lighten your skin tone.
Add 1/3 tablespoon of Vaseline.
Areas like the dark skin on the back of your neck and skin along your hairline are where the Vaseline helps lighten skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots and helps heal. Use Vaseline as a protective barrier.
Mix it very well. Please like my video. Also give me your feedback about remedy. Share my video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell. Use this remedy twice a week. This remedy will give you instant result. Thanks for watching. Take care, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.